Nature has an incredible ability to heal and rejuvenate both our bodies and minds. In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, many of us find solace and inner peace by embracing outdoor wellness. Spending time in nature has numerous benefits for our overall well-being, helping us to relax, recharge, and connect with the world around us. In this video, we will explore the healing power of nature and the importance of incorporating outdoor activities into our lives. The therapeutic effects of nature. Rediscovering harmony with nature. In a world dominated by concrete structures and digital screens, it is essential to reconnect with nature to restore our inner balance. Spending time outdoors, whether it's in a lush forest, by the beach, or even in a local park, can help us rediscover our innate connection to the natural world. Immersing ourselves in natural surroundings allows us to escape the stressors of everyday life and find solace in the tranquility of the outdoors. Strengthening physical health. Engaging in outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, or even gardening not only gets us moving but also provides numerous health benefits. Breathing in fresh air enriched with oxygen, away from the polluted cityscape, can improve our respiratory system and boost our immune function. The sunlight we absorb while outdoors also aids in vitamin D production, which is crucial for bone health and the regulation of our mood. Enhancing mental well-being. Nature has a profound impact on our mental health and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in green spaces reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature can have a calming effect on our minds, helping us to unwind and find a sense of peace. Nature also stimulates our senses, allowing us to be more mindful and present in the moment, fostering a greater appreciation for the beauty around us. Incorporating outdoor wellness into daily life. Immersing yourself in nature. To experience the healing power of nature, it's important to prioritize outdoor activities in our daily lives. Take a walk in the park during your lunch break, go for a jog along a scenic trail, or simply sit under a tree and meditate. Find ways to immerse yourself in nature and make it a regular part of your routine. Exploring natural surroundings. Discovering new environments can be an exciting adventure. Plan day trips or weekend getaways to explore national parks, nature reserves, or nearby beaches. Engage in activities like birdwatching, wildlife photography, or simply enjoy a picnic in the great outdoors. By exploring diverse natural surroundings, we can broaden our horizons and deepen our connection with nature. Creating a green oasis at home. Even if you have limited access to outdoor spaces, you can still bring nature into your daily life. Consider creating a green oasis in your home by incorporating houseplants into your living spaces. Indoor plants not only improve air quality but also create a calming and soothing environment. Additionally, tending to plants can be a therapeutic and mindful activity in itself. Conclusion. In a world that often feels disconnected and fast-paced, embracing outdoor wellness and the healing power of nature is crucial for our overall well-being. By immersing ourselves in natural surroundings, we can find solace, improve our physical health, and enhance our mental well-being. So, let us make a conscious effort to prioritize time in nature, whether it's a short walk or an adventurous hike. Let's reconnect with the earth and experience the transformative benefits of outdoor wellness.